In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make protein pancakes cheaper and better than the store-bought versions. Let's get cooking. For the recipe, we're gonna need a cup of oat flour. Instead of buying a small little bag that's well overpriced, you can buy a lot of oatmeal for a fraction of the cost. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 cup of quick oats. Dump that into a blender and pulse it until it is turned into a flour. Once this is nice and pulverized, we're just gonna take this off and mix the rest of our ingredients. Because we're assembling our pancake mix as a dry mix that you can pull out and use anytime, this is a quick and easy way to get a protein-filled breakfast in on your way out the door. First thing we're gonna do is add in our cup of oat flour that we just made. We're gonna combine that with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can substitute gluten-free flour or almond flour, but I like to use all-purpose flour to give you that pancake consistency. Now we need to get in our protein. This is unflavored, unsweetened protein powder. You can use vanilla, you can use strawberry, you can use chocolate, use whatever you want, but I'm using unflavored so that I can add my own flavors when we wet mix. Go ahead and combine your 1 cup of protein powder in with your flours. This right here is our secret ingredient. This is buttermilk powder. This is what's going to allow us to only have to add water to our pancake mix to get a delicious creamy pancake. It's also gonna add a little bit of tang similar to a buttermilk pancake. Add in 1/2 of a cup. We're also gonna need to add in 2 tablespoons of baking powder. This is just gonna help them fluff up really nicely like a traditional pancake. For a little bit of sweetness, we have 3 tablespoons of coconut sugar. You can omit this if you like, but it just adds a little bit of sweetness that a pancake should have. And last but not least, we have to season this with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and grab your whisk and just whisk this together until it is all very well combined. Once this is all combined, go ahead and store this into an airtight container and you're ready to start making protein pancakes every single morning. 1 bulk batch of this pancake mix makes about 16 servings, and 1 serving is a 1/4 cup of pancake mix. To go from dry pancake mix to a pancake batter is super easy. You're gonna go 2 to 1 powder to water. Because we already have that buttercream in there, it's already gonna add a lot of creaminess. You don't need to use dairy. You can use almond milk here, but I'm just gonna use water. Because our ratio is 2 to 1 for 1 cup of protein powder, which will make 4 pancakes, 4 servings, we're gonna use 1/2 cup of water. Give this a good mix until you get a nice batter, pancake batter consistency. Look at that. This looks exactly like regular pancake batter. Let's go ahead, make some pancakes. Cooking these pancakes is just like cooking any other pancake. First, you gotta start by heating a nonstick pan over medium-high heat. Once it gets up to temperature, we're gonna lower the temperature to medium. Once your pan's up to heat, just give it a quick little spritz with some nonstick spray, and then we're gonna scoop in 1/4 cup of pancake mix. We're gonna let this sit undisturbed for 2 minutes and then flip it over. Once you start to see these little bubbles forming around the edge, that's generally a good time to give it a flip. Let's see how this looks. That's a perfectly cooked pancake. Another 2 minutes on this side and then this baby's done. Once your 2 minutes is up, pull off your pancake, and as you can see, our baking powder did its job. It's got a nice height. This looks exactly like a pancake. Little tip, between pancakes, I always just wipe out the rest of the non-stick spray. That just makes sure that my next pancake doesn't take any weird color. Go ahead and keep making pancakes till you've used all your batter. Last pancake is done. Let's go ahead and get these plated up. We're gonna dress these protein pancakes, but before we do that, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps support the channel. I'm gonna top these with some fresh fruit. You can use whatever you like, but who doesn't love strawberries on their pancakes? And this video would be very un-Canadian if I didn't add some maple syrup. Now let's go ahead and dig in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of pancakes, but these are absolutely incredible. They taste almost identical to regular pancakes, but they are packed full of protein. And that's it for this week's video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and comment down below what you want to see me make next week. Until next time, get cooking.